Ebi babigambiro babiri bari aha mukoro gwo kushabira beji bekibina cya mushanju aba BZB Junior School kandi abarembaza kushitambira ebigezo byabo byakamaririzo ebya PLE.
My fellow parents, let us put in our best. If it means selling tomato we must sell. If it means selling onion we are going to sell. Because the future is very bright. I am telling you the future is bright. And continue saying, God, me, I'm investing in my children, give me yes. I want to chew money. I want to chew money when they grow up. Parents, the Bible says you reap what you want.
Abeji imunulia matafari azage nombe ninga se agibumba amatafari gona gaba gatahire noteka kayumbe kaki nenda ko bamanyisa wimwe banamwe obutasomera musasa bakuze turukusasa babukira muto aha myaka yanyu tumukama ni busasa bw'obutasoma konka waheza kukura bw'okumanya busasa bw'obutasoma nabo ikanibatisa mu mutima mumukunda okusoma n'okusomera n'okusomesebwa.
Abel Kagumire orukomishwa mu kitongore cya URA kandi uri mukama w'ishomero riri yashobora ngo nibiza gukora cyone kiri kuvasika okureba ngo abeji batungo bwegise buri kumara
ekipenda kufokasingaho n'aba bantu abo kashanga kwazo mukora papers kwazo mukuronda ebikombe katwaza banyama academics is very critical namwe neje myaka ebiri munda kutukura. There is no one who is lacking. If you are lacking, you want to make sure they are as comfortable as possible.
Masiko ashabira bejo kutina ruhanga ngo hakuba ubwenge burwo mu ruhanga kandi ruhanga naija kuva basa abirusiye ebiyone bayegere
kandi okutina mukama nubwo bugera iki nubwo bwenge imwe bana mwe nimwe bagenyi bakora bari aha okureba ngo ruhanga barinze ne kumara imyaka iki mwasoma nursery section mwasoma primary ate muri yo mugeheza ruhango mwikura kiroho bayiko ne tugandara ngo abana n'ebiconke birugahariyoha kandi nende zaba n'ebiconke byaro kugaba abana ababizere nk'ebiconke haritwe nitwe tukabiretera ishomero n'abashomesa ngo babase kurukuza no kubiyihamu ruhango gwacuro
omuringo ngo gumwe Abel Kagumire hagarikire yashave givona okubabera abajwekera wabarungi ahona aho baraze
Imbashaba we are ambassadors to chairman yaga. For us we cannot market the school. It is this P7 candidates who market us. It is you parents who are going to market us depending on how we are working.
kandi weke ya person wa PTA Bahat Mugisha hajumirira abazire bona abarukoremerwa kushore bishare byishomero mbwire
nimpanya umuyiti abana bite baza kubuzubwa bakustamara PLE ebiro bitanu chokama zimagara hanga naja tumwembere sijana watakarizi yusko umwana nganaza kubuzubwa.
Abeji aba BZB Junior School baraganise omisho g'abashomesa hamwe n'abazire babo ngo nibaza gukora percent igana hari na first grade zonka.
We would love to give you assurance that with all the effort rendered to us by our teachers and support from all the people in the community, we will not let you down and we will work closely to attaining 100%.
Gashakwa Olivia na Sasra abwa Sky TV ya Genshonga omuri Bushenyi.